morning, YouTube. Welcome to another video. So for today's menu, I decided to come to Daikoku on a Sunday morning. It really reminded me of cars and coffee in California, so I thought I'd come check it out. I seen it on other channels and I wanted to see what it was all about. So I'm here now and let's see what they got. Let's check out the lineup. Got this nice S15 right here. Oh, wow, look at this. It's a Crown. I've never seen a Toyota like this before. Wow, this is nice. Wow, I have never seen this before. Check out the wheels. Super nice. Wow, I don't know what this is either. I guess it's a Crown. Wow. I really like it. It looks like we have another one right next to it, or I'm not too sure what it is. Check out these wheels. It's really cool. We got an R33 over here. Paint looks really good on it. It's nice. Next to an 11. One of my favorite cars. Yeah, this is perfect. Oh yeah, this is how you do it. Next to a BRZ, a newer model right here. Interesting wheel combo. Next to an older model 8.6. So we got this 8.6 here, and then we got that 8.6 there. I've always said this one is a little bit more similar to the coupe version of that. Tell me what you think in the comments about this. Not bad. Oh, nice. Got an MR2 over here. Very nice. Nice and simple, the way I like it. Nice Porsche. Gonna have to go check that out in a little bit. Got a cool RX-7 here. He has one of my favorite shift knobs in there. That's cool. Wow, it's in great condition. Got a Mark II here. If there's any Mark II fans. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm in Fast and Furious. I feel like I'm back in high school. A Spider Eclipse, left-hand drive. That's crazy. I haven't seen one of those since high school. Wow, okay. That's cool. Then we got 11 right here. Man, I would love to drive this car. Even though it's front wheel drive, I would love to drive it. Such a cool car. right. I'm not that big on Porsches, so you have to forgive me, but this thing is beautiful. Wow. It's perfect. Down to the wheels. Oh, it's perfect. Perfect, perfect. The color is beautiful. Such a beautiful car. I don't care what people say. RWB, those, oh man, those flares just make this car so beautiful. Look how wide. Oh, it's hard to see, but man, these tires are wide. Oh, we got a Mini Cooper here. Always a delight to see these. I got the hood pins on there. This is really cool. Oh wow, Land Cruiser. This is cool. Wow. You don't see too many of these where I live in Japan. This is cool. Got us an S14 here. Looks like it's seen some action. I like it. My favorite headlights. This is cool. Looks like we got some VIP cars here. And we got this Z right here. This wing is massive. Wow. Oh, we got another RWB right next to this Roadster or Miata. Very nice Miata or Roadster. Man. Wow. Would you call this candy red? I'm not too sure, but it's really nice. And looks like he put projectors there. Nice. Projector headlights. Oh yeah, I've seen this wheel combo before. Got the idlers on there. Spray painted on there. Left-hand drive. Even has a Navi in there. Oh, this must be turbo. Ah, it is. Okay, it is turbo. You have to forgive me, I don't know my Porsches. Yeah, it's nice. Very nice. Right? Then you got my BRZ. Almost time to do shocking on this car. Our car inspection. Oh, we got a GTR here. Looks like it's military. Got the Y plate. It's nice. This thing is nice, man. Look how big these wheels are. Oh my goodness. Compared to my wheels. Wow. What a beauty. For a second, I didn't know what this was. Wow. To actually see it in person finally, it is a beautiful car. These wheels, oh, everything is just perfect. And the inside has suede, oh my goodness. Wow, this is really cool. There are just so many cool cars here. Oh man, check out this 188. Check out this 180 SX. Tongue twister. Love the wheel combo. Yeah, this is nice. Carboy vibes. SX, nice. Oh, and we got another 180 SX over here. But it got, oh, it has the S15 front end. Interesting color for the hood. And wow, we got the Devil Z. Oh man, this thing is, and it's left-hand drive too. Wow. Oh man. And the Watanabes. That's beautiful. Oh, it even has an air conditioning unit in there. Oh, this is so cool. Remember that sticker? Something like back when I was a kid, I remember my dad had it on his Integra. That is cool. And another Porsche. Oh man, these things are just beautiful. It's a GT3 RS. McLaren. Got some older Skylines on Watanabe. Oh, these are just so nice. Just so nice. Oh, wow. Crossworth. Is it Lotus? Oh, this is interesting. Wow. Oh, got another Skyline. Very nice. And we got some R32s here. Wow, really old school vibes. Huh. It's really cool. It's nice. And another Porsche. Very nice. Another Skyline R32. This bumper on this R32 is really interesting. Wow. And a Z. NSX. Nice, nice, nice. Looks like he's gonna need some tires soon. But man, these sure are rare to see. Wow, wow, wow. Always a joy to see them though. Got everyone over here in front of the Civic Type R. Looks like he's trying to open the hood. And we have another R32. If I'm not mistaken, the Celica GT. This thing's beautiful. Perfect wheels. Have another Celica GT. Perfect. Have another Celica GT on some perfect wheels right here. Wow, just perfect. Techno toy tuning, wow. Haven't seen that in a long time. Four-door Skyline. Got one here and another right here. That is cool. Wow, I really like this color. Carbon fiber hood. Wow. Nice wheel combo. We have some cool Honda S660s. I like to just call them the newer Honda Beats, our mini NSX. So comparison, this is the new Honda Beat, we'll just say that. And this is the older model. These are such cool cars. And it's on Watanabe's. I definitely have to drive one of these one day. And look at this. It says Crown. It's a Crown truck. I've never seen this before. This is really cool. Comment in the section below in the comments if you can tell me what this is. This is really cool. Has the side exhaust. These wheels are really interesting. It's a beautiful color. Really stands out. Wow, check out this VIP. What is this, Lexus? Wow, this thing is sitting low, has to be on air. Nice and simple S2000. I almost missed it. It's an NSX-R over here. I believe this is one. I've never seen one of these before. Yeah, this is, I believe this is actually one of them. Stop me if I'm wrong, you know, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but wow. Hood scoop to get that unneeded hot air out. Titanium shift knob probably, right? Wow. Got a hood scoop. Ooh. Got a hood scoop here to get the cold air in. Wow. It's really cool to see this in person. Oh, got another Datsun. Another left-hand drive. Oh, man. This color, lime green. This iPhone 12 mini doesn't do it justice. This is nice. Another Porsche. I'm trying to remember. I think these are Cosmo? They're Mazda Cosmo? Okay, yeah. Wow, these are really rare. This is perfect condition, too. I don't think I've ever seen any of these running or just out and about. Usually I see them in scrapyard. Wow. Wow, just listen to that Z. This is crazy. Love the wheels. Such a cool car. This MRS is so nice. I mean, it's just so simple. It's what I like. Honestly, I don't think they get enough love. Nice wheel combo there. Honestly, if I didn't get my BRZ, it was between the Altezza and it was going to be between an MRS. Wow, this thing must sound nice. Just when I thought I was getting ready to leave. Oh my goodness. Look at how clean this Z is. Oh, the lighting does it no justice. It's like a brand new car. Oh my goodness. On the stillies. Jeez, the inside is so fresh. It even has a cassette player. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh wow, look at this. Didn't expect to see this here. Got the fat tires in the back too. Malibu. Oh, that is cool, man. That's cool. Check out this Honda Beat with the hardtop. Man, these are such cool little cars. Oh, this bike. It's an interesting color. Golden. Well, things are starting to pick up a little bit, so I'll take another lap around and then I'll head back to Gunma. This FC is super nice too. Gutted out interior. Oh, right next to this, I believe it's a Stingray. Oh man, this is nice too. Oh yeah, very simple. Oh, another Skyline. Look at this thing. Sounds. Wow, that thing sounds nice. S15. Wow, check this out. Alpine. This thing is beautiful.
So nothing for the outside. Automatic gearboxes. It's So I made negotiated a good price on it.
All right, check this out. This is pretty crazy. I might have recorded this already. You got California plates on there. Next to this nice Supra. And there goes the RX-7 leaving. You can't beat the sound of a nice rotary. All right, so that's going to be it for today. I'm going to go ahead and head back to Gunma. I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you could do me a favor, like and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot, and you never know, you might see something you like. Catch you next time. Peace.